Hi everyone, this is Adam at Stretch Your English. I'm here to share ideas and resources for teachers of English to speakers of other languages. In this video, I'll be sharing an interactive activity which I call Conversations and Collocations. As I say, it's interactive, but you could use it in online or face-to-face lessons. It's targeted mainly for your general English as a foreign or second language class and involves some conversation questions and a matching activity. Now, the language used in this particular example is quite informal and colloquial, so it may be more suited for intermediate learners and above, but of course it depends on your own learners and their needs and the environment in which they're learning English and want to use it. It's made using Genially, a fantastic presentation tool which I use to create a lot of these activities. So, as usual, after you've watched this short tutorial, if you look in the link to resource in the description below this video, you will find a link to the activity. And when you click it to open it, you will see the title screen. And as we can see, today's topic is keeping in touch. So let's go. So to start, we just have 3 questions to prompt some conversation among the learners. If you want to focus on one particular question, you can just drag your mouse over it like this and it will expand it a little bit more. So 3 questions here on the general topic of keeping in touch and communication. And when you're ready to continue, you will see this yellow box here at the bottom right of the screen. So you can click that to continue to the next activity. So, next instructions. Match the words on the left with the words on the right to make 7 useful phrases or collocations. Okay, you have 3 minutes. So, click here to start. So as we can see here, and I'll just remove my video so you can see the screen in full, typical matching activity. So first of all, let's notice the prompt at the top of the screen. Click here to choose a colour and draw on the screen. So we can use this to match the language. So for example, to get in touch with someone. If we make a mistake, we can click this icon here and delete everything. Maybe choose another colour and go again. Let's go for a blue now. Okay, to message someone back, as in to send a reply. Of course, you can then talk about the meaning of these expressions and also the pronunciation can be focused on as well. Also note that we have numbers here and letters here. So if your students want, they can also complete this just simply matching the numbers and letters as they would with a typical matching activity from a course book, for example. You'll notice that it just said then we have 2 minutes remaining. So there are prompts to remind the students when time is almost up. I'm going to keep this running in real time, so to speak, so that we can see how the activity plays out. So let's do a few more. Maybe let's pick colour red now. Long time no see. I know this one. Maybe let's go for a purple. Okay. Family gathering. Okay, maybe we'll go for black now to ping someone an email. So as I say, quite informal, colloquial language, but depending on your learner's needs and where they're learning or studying English, this may be language that's useful or motivating even to them. Okay, we have 1 more minute remaining now, and what you will see when the time is up is that the answers are displayed for the students and for you as the teacher as well, so everyone can see the answers all together. Let's just try and quickly finish it. So what's the best way to reach you? Handy expression nowadays, is it Zoom, WhatsApp, telephone call? Okay, maybe we'll go for a light blue or maybe a dark blue. Okay, to set up a Zoom Skype call, something which might be familiar with a lot of people at the moment. Okay, so remember, if you want to delete what you've done, you can click this icon, or if you simply want to hide it, you can press this here and it will return. And as we can see, time is now up and we can check the answers. So we can hide everything we've done by pressing this icon and check the answers here. When we're ready to continue, we simply click continue. And we go back to the conversation questions we had at the start. But this is simply a second opportunity to practice discussing those questions. The difference this time, of course, is that the students are prompted to discuss these questions with a different partner. It may be that they can incorporate some of the language from the previous matching activity, although in my experience this isn't always easy. However, the important thing is that they do have that second opportunity to practice these questions again. And that concludes the activity. In my next video, I'll be sharing a template for this activity so you can create your own with your own questions and your own matching activity. As I say, this was made using Genially, and what I will be doing as well is I intend to provide a new conversations and collocations each week themed on a different topic. So stay tuned for that. As usual, please subscribe to the channel for more updates or view all these ideas and resources on my website stretcherenglish.com. There's links to all of the resources and websites that I use there. You can also check out my Instagram @stretcherenglish or drop me a message directly stretcherenglish@gmail.com. Thanks a lot. See you next time.